Best Silver IRA companies. A full review. Investing in a Silver IRA is becoming increasingly popular as individuals seek to diversify their retirement portfolios with tangible assets. Along with its more affordable costs when compared to gold, silver investing creates a low barrier to entry into the precious metals investing market. To read the full article right now, see the link in the video description. Also, if you think your retirement savings are not keeping up with stubborn inflation, see the link in the video description to access the free Inflation Retirement Calculator to make sure you are on track. Finding the right Silver IRA company will depend on your specific needs, so we will explore each company in no particular order. However, we will rank our favorite Silver IRA company at the very end, so stay tuned. Why invest in a Silver IRA? Silver, a precious metal with intrinsic value, offers protection against inflation, economic instability, and currency devaluation. Also known for its many industrial applications, silver is always in high demand and is continuing to increase in price due to its limited supply. Silver IRAs, more specifically, provide investors with a tax-advantaged opportunity to diversify their retirement savings. Unlike traditional IRAs that primarily focus on stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, a Silver IRA allows you to invest in physical silver while diversifying your portfolio. Precious metals like silver often perform well during economic downturns, making them a safe haven investment. The first Silver IRA company on the list is Augusta Precious Metals. Augusta Precious Metals provides a streamlined IRA rollover process, competitive pricing, and a proven track record of positive customer feedback and industry ratings. Augusta, with its ethics-centered approach and transparency, provides its customers with unique educational conference calls and webinars. Founded by CEO Isaac Nuriani in 2012, Wyoming-based Augusta Precious Metals has remained one of the best-rated gold and silver IRA companies with the highest reviews across the industry, namely for lifetime account service satisfaction. The company centers its focus on a mission of integrity, education, and investor trust and empowerment, resulting in a nearly zero negative customer review record. Though the minimum investment is higher than most of their competitors, there is an advantage to investing with Augusta. Through Augusta, gold and silver prices are secured once your purchase order is confirmed. With the company's 7-day price protection program, if the price of your premium metals goes down in those 7 days, Augusta will reprice your purchase order at a lower price. Also, Augusta has one of the best buyback guarantees in the gold and silver IRA industry. Augusta Precious Metals offers a simple and streamlined IRA rollover process. The company's customer service processing team handles 95% of the paperwork, which frees your time to make sound decisions on your gold and silver investments. To watch our full review of Augusta Precious Metals, see the link in the upper right in this video. With the best prices in the silver IRA industry and consistent positive ratings from consumer advocate groups, Augusta has proven to be a leader in the precious metals IRA investment market. To access Augusta's free Silver IRA guide, see the link in the video description. Birch Gold Group. With over 2 decades in the silver and gold IRA industry, Birch Gold Group has built a solid reputation for helping customers diversify their retirement portfolios with precious metals. Founded in 2003 by CEO Laith Al-Saraf, the company's longevity and broad product catalog have made them a mainstay within the industry. The company shows its high rankings with the BBB, Google Business, Consumer Affairs, and a AAA rating from the Business Consumer Alliance. Conservatives such as Ben Shapiro and former Congressman Ron Paul are among Birch's many endorsers. As a Birch client, you are guided to the account setup, IRA rollover process, initial investment, and management of your portfolio by an assigned financial advisor. Outdoing Birch's competitors, the initial setup fee for a Silver IRA is a mere $50 with an additional money transfer fee of $30. The annual storage and custodial fees will vary. Note that these fees may be waived with an initial deposit of up to $50,000. In terms of initial investment minimums, Birch Gold is much less than its competitors. Most gold IRA companies' investment minimums can range from $25,000 to $50,000. With a $10,000 minimum investment, this gives Birch Gold a clear edge. To learn more about Birch Gold Group, see the link in the upper right to watch the full video review. Due to the company's long-established presence in the gold IRA industry, Birch Gold Group is a trusted choice among conservative retirees and investors. The company's proven track record for sustained long-term relationships with its customers through the life of their investment accounts makes up the bedrock of the company's trusted reputation. See the link in the video description to start investing with Birch Gold Group. American Hartford Gold. American Hartford Gold is an established name in the silver and gold IRA industry. Key features include no startup fees. New customers may enjoy waived fees for the first year. Offers a hassle-free buyback program, competitive pricing, and fee transparency, and one of the best price match guarantees in the gold and silver IRA industry. And most notably, a low investment minimum of $10,000 to start a silver IRA. Since its founding in 2015 by CEO Sanford Mann, American Hartford Gold has been helping retirees and investors create a safe haven for their retirement assets through 401k and IRA rollovers. American Hartford Gold holds an A+ rating from the BBB, top ratings from Consumer Affairs, a 5-star rating from Trustpilot, and has ranked #1 gold company by the Inc. 5000. Feeling secure with the gold and silver IRA company you have entrusted with your hard-earned retirement savings that took years to build is a must. American Hartford Gold understands this and makes it easy with the company's flagship price match guarantee. If you find better deals on precious metals elsewhere, American Hartford Gold will match it. Customers are fully informed of any costs or fees involved prior to purchase. The company's pricing is among the best in the industry and changes regularly to reflect the best possible deals for precious metals investors. Live, up-to-the-minute pricing is available on their site with a live silver and gold price chart. Full transparency and trust are built into the process. With American Hartford Gold's buyback guarantee, it is encouraged by American Hartford Gold that clients contact the company first if they wish to sell their precious metals investments. The company may offer better prices if sold directly back to them. If a buyback is agreed upon between the customer and the company, clients will enjoy a fast and easy 3-step liquidation process that is simple, convenient, and reduces fees. Once the shipment of precious metals is arranged and sent back to the company, American Hartford Gold makes a payment. To see a full review of American Hartford Gold, see the link in the upper right to watch the full video now. American Hartford Gold continues to be a well-respected market leader in the silver IRA and precious metals investment industry. The company's proven track record for competitive pricing, a trustworthy buyback policy, price match guarantee, and sustained long-term relationships with its customers through the life of its portfolios make up the bedrock of the company's well-earned reputation. See the link in the video description to get started today with American Hartford Gold. Noble Gold Investments. Noble Gold Investments is a reputable company known for its simplicity and accessibility. They cater to both seasoned investors and beginners. Launched in 2016 by Charles Thorngren and Colin Plume, Noble Gold Investments has grown to become one of the top gold IRA companies in the industry. Their executive staff has over 20 years of combined experience in the precious metals industry. Noble Gold appeals to beginning and more independent-minded investors who seek greater control over their precious metals investments. Noble Gold Investments is touted for its exceptional user-friendly online interface, fiercely independent and unique product offerings, as well as overwhelmingly positive customer service feedback. Noble Gold is an accredited business with an A+ rating from the BBB, Consumer Affairs Alliance, and TrustLink. On the subject of fees, there is no IRA setup fee, but storage costs are slightly higher than Noble's competitors. Segregated storage is $150 per year at their prized Texas depository, but with a very competitive custodial fee is just $80 annually. First-year fees are also waived for qualifying IRAs. For silver and gold IRAs, Noble Gold stores your precious metals in a registered secure depository facility. Your gold and silver can now be stored safely within the Republic of Texas. Why store in Texas? Texas maintains and protects its state's rights fiercely. Noble Gold Investments has secured a partnership with IGS, International Depository Services, in Dallas. This provides the first and only private secure depository facility in the South for precious metal storage needs. Rest easy knowing your gold and silver investments are guarded well. Visit the storage facility to see your physical precious metal investments at your convenience. Outside of silver and gold IRAs, Noble Gold Investments provides unique precious metals purchase options. For the more independent-minded investors looking for more control, Noble Gold provides Royal Survival Packs for quick access to silver and gold, particularly in the event of a catastrophic economic collapse or national emergency. Noble Gold offers a range of Royal Survival Packs priced from $10,000 to $500,000 plus. Delivered to your door and stored in your home, you have ultimate control over your precious metals investments as well as peace of mind. To see the full company review of Noble Gold Investments, see the link in the upper right to watch the video. Noble Gold's proven track record for a seamless online setup process, well-vetted storage services, and alternative investments outside the standard Silver IRA sphere make up the bedrock of the company's trusted reputation and unique approach to the precious metals investment market. To start investing with Noble Gold today, see the link in the video description to receive a free silver and gold investment guide now. National Gold Group. National Gold Group is a family-owned precious metals IRA company that provides customers with a personalized experience and many benefits. Most notably, the company offers one of the lowest investment minimums to enter the silver investing market. National Gold Group's beginning minimum investment is $10,000 for IRAs. This low investment minimum provides National Gold Group customers with a low barrier to entry to take advantage of silver and other precious metals investing. Other key features include dedicated account representatives, secure storage options, competitive buyback policy, investment consultation services, and fee waivers for large investments. National Gold Group offers a no-fee buyback program, allowing investors to liquidate their holdings at the highest market rates. This program helps ensure that investors can sell their metals back to the company when they choose to take profit or need liquidity. In addition to these advantages, National Gold Group provides invaluable educational resources to their clients so they can make the most informed choices for their Silver IRA rollover. To access our full review of National Gold Group, see the link in the upper right to watch the full video. National Gold Group provides a comprehensive platform for investing in precious metals, particularly through IRAs. With a strong focus on best-in-class customer education and transparency, it offers a solid choice for investors looking to hedge against economic uncertainty. Ready to invest in your financial future? Visit National Gold Group's official website by clicking the link in the video description. Finally, our choice for best silver IRA company is Augusta Precious Metals with its unmatched educational resources, a streamlined IRA rollover process, the most competitive pricing, and a proven track record of positive customer feedback and industry ratings. If you have $100K in retirement savings to protect and want to take advantage of the best prices, see the link in the video description to attend a free gold and silver educational webinar hosted by Augusta Precious Metals. Thank you for watching.